Hi, and welcome to the video that explains how you can staff ideas in Clarity. I am Catherine Ellis, a product manager with Clarity. Many organizations approve ideas in multiple stages. They initially approve a set of ideas and ask teams to work on them to create a proof of concept or a minimal viable prototype, MVP. Let's see how resource managers can staff ideas in Clarity so that people can start working on those ideas. Let's open the Ideas page in Clarity and select a specific idea. We can now open the Staff module to start adding resources to the idea. If you don't see the Staff module, ask your Clarity administrator to add it to the idea's blueprint. The idea may or may not have existing roles or resources allocated to it. Let's assume that the idea owner has already updated the Staff module with a list of roles they need to create an MVP for this idea. Because most resource managers like to view the exact hours that a resource is allocated to perform work, let's configure Clarity to show hours instead of full-time equivalent, or FTE. Let's start by using the Resource module in Clarity to identify a developer to work on this idea. You can use the Resource to Investment view and set the Telescope calendar to display monthly fiscal time period columns for 2020. Because we are looking for a developer, let's use a filter to get the list of all developers in the organization. You can use an additional filter, such as the resource manager's name, to narrow our search results further. We can see Jim has the bandwidth for the duration of the investment. Let's allocate Jim to the investment from the Resource to Investment view. In this scenario, Jim has been added as a developer to the investment without replacing the existing role. Therefore, the developer role is still there in the staff grid. Let's delete the developer role. Let's assume that in your current scenario, you have already identified the architect who will work on this idea. Simply double-click the resource and replace it directly in the grid. Next, let's use the Add Staff button to add a business analyst to the idea. You have now staffed the idea with all the resources needed to successfully create an MVP. I am sure you now understand how you staff ideas in Clarity. Thank you for watching this video. For more information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page.